Next on our plate here is a 2024 Tri-Glide, and we are going to be doing a full stage 2 with the CR480MT Cam, the Thundermax headers, S&S Pushrods, the new S&S aluminum intake manifold, high flow breather. This is going to be a monster. Can't wait to see the outcome. We'll go over all the details with you as we go along. Stay tuned. So there's the cam plate itself. We'll be cutting the push rods out next, and then we'll pull the cam plate out. Be right back. So the rear push rods are adjusted. We're waiting for the lifters to move down, and we'll move on to the front cylinder, get those push rods in and adjusted, and then we'll continue on. We have a breather that's going to go on, S&S stealth breather that's going to go on here. We'll then put the new Bassani header system on with the new mufflers, and then get the Thundermax installed and programmed. Coming up now, I'm going to go through the process of setting up this particular Thundermax with a pre-existing map. So we'll go through that here in just a moment. Stay tuned.
All right, we're going to set the Thundermax up for the trike model that we're doing. So see right here, we've entered the VIN number. We're going to test the VIN. It shows us that we have a 2024 MA2014 Tri-Glide Ultra. That's exactly what the bike is using. Okay. We register it. So we'll go ahead and register it. Okay, we've got it registered now. Close it. Now, I like to start scratch here. So I'm going to minus out these blue boxes. So in this case, I pulled the map out of my 19 row team because of 114. And I'm going to go and find the file that I saved it on. Desktop. Right here is the date. T19, month 3, day 27, 2025. So with that. Populates it. And I'm going to put this same map in her trike because the components all match. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit map editing. I'm going to write. It does have compression releases. So I'm taking the data from my laptop and it's putting it into the Thundermax. Now let's go verify a couple of other things. Let's go to module configuration. Let's go to basic settings. Now let's go to the speedo calibration and let's look for the Tri-Glides. Right, modules and settings and close. Now we want to go ahead and auto map that. Both front and rear push rods, intake and exhaust, are installed and adjusted. We have the cam cover back on, and now it's time to install the exhaust and the air cleaner. Then we will go further with the Thundermax install and initial idle tune. Stay tuned, be right back. So we're making progress with the exhaust. Tony's now plugging in the 18mm O2 sensor wires that will go to the Thundermax, and then we'll be putting the mufflers on and heat shields, and it won't be long now before we can fire this thing up. We have the Thundermax turned on now. We have the data transferred from the Thundermax into the computer. Now we're going to do an initial run up. What we're going to do is we're going to watch to make sure that our AFRs front and rear are not pegging one way to the other. They shouldn't be, but that's what we're going to make sure of. So here goes. This bike turned out really nice. We're very proud of the outcome on this one. We're going to go out and test ride it and make sure everything's good on it. It should be. I don't see a reason why it wouldn't be. Again, this is a 2024 Tri-Glide with a 114. To recap the modifications, it's the CR480MT Cam from Cyclorama, Bassani 212 headers with the factory heat shields reused, S&S Quickie adjustable push rods, the S&S Stealth air cleaner, the S&S aluminum intake manifold, 5.5 injectors, Thundermax. We appreciate you watching. Till next time, I'm Steve Carr. Talk to you later.